All right, so I'm starting the medication today. Yesterday when we go from the antibiotics, I was like, I didn't want to start it in the night. So, but I'm gonna drop off now. Once I finish drop off, I'm gonna come back. I guess I'm have to eat something with it, so I'm gonna eat something and then I'm gonna take it. So I'll see you then, because I also have to drop off. I forgot to return a package to Amazon, so I'll see you when we go do that. Okay, so I just finished drop off and now I am heading back to drop off. I have to this. I was trying to have like a double screen. I wanted an external screen for my computer, but since I don't know if anybody else with Windows have this issue, but since Windows updates from Windows 10 to Windows 11, it's harder for me to do that. It's harder for me to do my external monitor like what I used to do. I don't know what them do, but sometimes when them update, it just makes things so difficult and hard to deal with. So I'm not able to have an external monitor because of whatever update they did, and it's just not compatible. Like, it just not work. So I bought that cord to see if that would help it, and it never worked. It's a USB to, what is it, AG card or something like that. Still didn't work, so there's no point in me keeping it. Like, I don't keep anything that I don't want anymore, so I'm just gonna go return it to Amazon, take it to UPS, return it, and get the money back for it, and then I'll head home so we can, you know, take care of that. Look, I was supposed to record me going to UPS, but it's raining still. Like, this is what, the second or the third day or the fourth day of just rain. So I just run and go outside and come back in. Make that quick. Now, remember my day was do that go and eat. Now I have to pick up a package at USPS because my order something, and from Amazon it say held. USPS couldn't deliver it, so it's held at the post office, so me have to come feed, and I'm just like, there they go again with the foolery. But I'm gonna head over there and take care of that. Drive down there. Yeah, I guess I did need a car, huh? Because I do a lot of errands up. But before I go there, I just realized I have to go into Walmart. I need chicken. Yeah, I need chicken tomorrow, Thursday, so I'm gonna get some chicken. All right, let's go. We do need some tangerines, but the set what we get from them the last time was a bit. Seems to me like all of them are the same thing. Okay, so since the mandarin them still kind of tight looking, I'm not gonna bother to get them. I'm just gonna go ahead and check out and call it a day. I'm not gonna force myself to get that. Yo, I'm back in the house. I forgot to go to the post office, and then something quick happened. I have a quick emergency and I had to go deal with that. So I'm still not ready from computer, and this is how sometimes my days goes. My plan is out, and then I have like a freedom for run up and down when things happen. So I forgot to run out. But look what I got from the store. We're gonna do this grocery haul. So I got, these are my favorites. This is what I'm gonna eat for take my medicine. I should eat more food, but mega on the roads I can't. Got 2 of those. Then I got some soup, just a few for the kids. The apples, these are the best tasting apples, the Honey Crisp apples. And meat, what we need to put in the freezer. Also, it's just a midweek top. Okay, so I am back to my swimming. As you know, I'm always swimming. Well, I'm not always swimming, but you know, at least a few times a week. So I am heading, I'm there now. I'm about to go inside. I'm supposed to start in 3 minutes, but I cannot find my card to go in, so I'm gonna look for my card, and then I'm gonna run inside there and change and jump off into the pool. Now that I have a GoPro, I know the mod can't go in the water, but I didn't bring my waterproof case because I never usually record me like swimming. So yeah. Then when I come out, if I have to come out, then I have to go get the kids because them off swimming too after me. Whew. Today was a long day. I did get to edit that video that I was speaking of earlier. So I got to edit 2 and prep 1 for edit again probably tonight. today. Yeah, so probably can perk that. All right. Okay, I'm just finished swimming. I was late, so I didn't even bother to take out my GoPro, and I didn't want to leave it in the locker room. I don't have a lock for the locker. Not saying nobody ever take it or not, but I'm just never want to leave it in there, and I never want to take it out either. So I have to go wash my hair because I left my swim cap and stuff. So I'm definitely, I'm gonna go wash it. I'm gonna use this. It does a little shampoo. It might put some conditioner in there because you know my hair gonna dry out, and then back on the road.
Never let a nigga fuck you over more than once. Anybody owe you bread, do not accept the pause. Remember, you can never tell these bitches everything.
Pause this.
Today she call you sis, tomorrow she enemy.
Okay. All right. So, yo, I'm not even. Did I pick up the camera? I think I picked up the camera on my phone when we just done swim, but I literally just done. Dry up my ear little and jump in the car, forgot do pick up. But I'm gonna make it for pickup time. I think I have like 5 minutes, so I'm gonna run go towards the door now, wait for her to come out, and then swimming time for them. But how was swimming today? Good, thanks for asking. It was good. As usual, it's always good. I always like swimming, and I like to see my improvement from when we just start till now. Like, I'm doing way better, you know, especially that's what the trainer them tell me, so I'm much better. Also, to them they left my head thing, so I was in there a little bit longer. Come here for wash my hair, like when they mentioned earlier. I had to wash, like, I mean, use a shampoo. Usually I just rinse it out and touch it up if water get there, but nobody have to actually fold it up a shampoo. And I did use conditioner. I know conditioner and Locs is kind of I'll say controversial or whatever. Do what you want to do with your hair. I buy my conditioner and I dilute it with a whole heap of water. I'm using my hair. I'm swimming a lot during the week. That means my hair get dry and feel like paper. So I have to have some type of moisture in there. I can't just do the tea alone. That's not enough because then I have to spray my hair every day and stuff. That isn't enough. And I'm not going to do a deep conditioner every week. Well, probably should do it every week, but I'm not going to. So with me using conditioner and knowing that I'm swimming, it kind of helps for know so my hair not gonna be that dry. And then with me knowing that I'm using conditioner as often, I think I do like a vinegar rinse more than, you know how some people do it once or twice a week. I do it more than that because I put conditioner back in my hair for help, you know, for help bring back that moisture in my hair. So if I have build up, I have more than a regular person because I use conditioner, and because I'm swimming in chlorinated water. I'm trying to protect the locks. I don't want it drop off, but don't feel like say that thin out look up here. So but that's neither here nor there. I'm gonna retighten it soon. But yeah, so today was a day when I forgot wash it, and then remember I forgot wash it again Friday because if I can't find my swim cap, I forgot swim. There's no not swimming because I can't find the swim cap. Mega swim, and I probably just have to order another one. I don't like swimming with anything on my head. I like it, but it can help me prevent me from washing my hair like so often throughout the week. And because I know I wash my hair throughout the week, when I say I gotta use conditioner because I can't have my hair dry. Like, that's the only thing they can say for combat it. And you know, I have to do my deep conditioner probably once a month. I not do it every week, probably should, but I'm not going to do that. So me adding conditioner to my hair works. And then for moisturize it during the week, I'm gonna make the tea. I think in one of my videos I'm gonna show you how to make the tea for my hair. If you never see that, it's gonna link up here the vlog when we do it. I'm gonna link the actual DIY like layout when we make it as well. Yeah, I think I should probably do one of them detailed DIY of me making the tea. So good idea. So I'm gonna do that as well. Anyways, that's my TED talk about my locks and swimming in chlorinated water. Morning drop off today again. I kind of get myself together a little bit ish. Yeah, okay, never mind. But yeah, just a little bit. I didn't put my earrings in today because I'm just gonna make a quick run to drop off, and I think I'm gonna come right back because I'm looking for some stuff in the house that I can't find, and I have something important to do on my computer, a course. So I come back home and do that. I'm not even gonna bother lately. I'm not bother with the long thing, just in and out, just in and out. I finished drop off again. And I'm not doing any errands today. Can you believe that the rain actually started fall? Like, the weather clearly said no rain, clouds. It's like gloomy, and clouds probably gonna make ways for the sun. but that didn't happen. It's like drizzling. It's just a gloomy day, and I don't have any errands to run, so I did do some editing. Some of the editable 3 or 4 video out of the way, perfection. So hopefully this can add to my vlogtober thing that I'm trying to be a part of this year, and I want to be consistent. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go home now. No, well, yeah, I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna go home now. I mean, I wonder if I'm for clean up the place or I'm for just continue. I'm gonna work on the course. I'm not clean up nowhere. And I say that course I'm gonna take priority, so I'm gonna know. I'm gonna turn the place upside down because we're basically about to move out the bed frame in there, and I feel like the bed frame old, so we might have to do the bed frame, but we're about to take that bed frame out. We're about to take the bed frame out. I'm missing a few stuff, like I can't find my GoPro box because the other day I clean and I dash for things, and I'm like, I can't find the exchange batteries for it. None of them stuff. So I'm like, did I throw it away by mistake? Did I put it somewhere? Where is it? Plus I can't find I have my iPad case. It's very cute. Me usually use it for just attached to my bag. Can't find that anywhere. Like I can't find nothing. So I'm like, did I mistakenly throw these things away? And it's not like I can go in the garbage and check for these things in the bag because all of them bag they gone already. So it's, I don't know what to do. And I'm like, should I go back to the donation area and try to jump in there and see if I see nothing? Should I? Because I don't know what to do. Like, am I gonna find it? I don't know if I'm gonna find it. Hopefully it's not in there. Like I honestly don't know what the things them there. I don't know what them there. I'm gonna swear to my put it back in the room. Anyways, so I have to go back home now, and then I just have to work. I need to go work about that. I'm not clean either. The house need to clean. Like, I need to wash clean. I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna take out the meat and see if I can get through at least an hour, 3 hours of this course at least, and then we can probably stop and go clean or go cook. But we need to get a lot of this course out of the way, trying to get an idea of what it is before I even think about doing anything else. Is this a better view? No earrings today. Very chill, relaxed look. I mean, I'm all stressed, but today's just a relaxed day for me. So yeah, all right, I guess I'll see you back at home. Okay, so I am back home. As you can see, I had to drop off some stuff at the school. It's about 10:56, and I was in here still looking for those things I told you I lost. I can't find any of them. Like, the place is a mess. Let me show you. You see that? That is a mess. I'm the whole of that for clean up, so I'm gonna sort that out. Okay, alright. I know I have black lips, but I was just testing it out. Okay, when I buy the black lipstick liner thing, I got it to, you know how to have the dark lips and then the lip gloss. That's what I bought it for, and I was like, let me just try it as a lipstick and see how it look. And I don't know, it matched with my dress. I heard it's very 90s, but I was just trying something. Anyways, I'm gonna clean up meat and stuff. Come and me for cook. I'm sitting up on the computer. I start the course. I start part of it. I feel like I can just season up the meat and thing like that, and then come back, finish it. And we should have a good day. Plus, I was doing a catch-up call as well, so should be a day. Still can't find the extra batteries for this thing, unfortunately, but we will. All of the digging up on my dome, still can't find the one I look for. I might have to put on something else in the house because I'm very in here cool. So let's get sort that out. My hair get touched by this because then it collect lint. But I also don't want to put on the bonnet on the camera, so I could try. I gotta fold this down as much as possible and then put this on and see. Maybe that will help. The tip still kind of touch it, but it's whatever. It's not an option, right? You know. Miss Karen. Alright, so I did the meat. My day is practically the same every day. I did the meat. Now it's time for go to pick up. I'm gonna wait for my son to come, but you know, I'm gonna look a house dress. You like it? Yeah, courtesy at Walmart. And it's so comfy. I'm also testing out this lipstick. I don't know if it'll be the best or the worst. It might scare some people, but I'm gonna wipe it off little. Alright, might scare some people, but this is how I practice. So I'm gonna try it with this. I'm also gonna try it with red lipstick. It's like an ombre thing that I saw online. See how it come out. Cute, see? Very demure. Very cutesy, very demure. Can't wait for that run, yeah. By the end of the year, I need to hit my 1,000 subscriber goal. Like, I need to hit the goal, man. 1,000 subscribers and monetization. That's the goal for the end of the year, yeah. Let's see how it goes. Currently at 115. Okay. I hope these vlogs are going well. I'm trying to talk to the camera more and just, you know, have a conversation with you guys more. So I just made it to pick up, and I'm having a good day so far. Is this accessory mode? Do I press to turn it off? Anyways, I'm having a good day so far. So yes, I still have the lipstick on, and I'm gonna go pick her up and just see. But more of I'm going, cause every time I go out there, her school ends at a certain time, and every time I go, she's like the last one standing there. I'm like, okay, but if I come even earlier, it may always have to end up sitting and wait. Anyways, I'm gonna go grab her. Oh, just so you can see me a little better. You see me? How does it look?